Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial guys, I'm going to show you on how to create a text file using the command prompt CMD in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So you can use the echo command followed by a redirections operator greater than sign. So ito yung command na gagamitin natin sa pag-create ng text file sa CMD. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard. So pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or command prompt. And then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung OK. And then once na-open mo na itong CMD or command prompt, and then to navigate to the directory where you want to create the text file using the CD. So, ang next step, dito ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command prompt na CD. Ayan. And then once na i-type mo na yan, and then minimize lang tayo. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating File Explorer. Okay, so click lang natin yan. And then select ka lang dito or click any folder you prepare to create the text file. So select ka lang dito kung anong folder yung gusto mong mag-create ng text file. So for example, ito yung ating gagawan ng text file. So ang laman nito ay mga screenshot albums mga kaibigan. Okay, ito siya. Alright, so once nakapag-select ka na ng folder dito, so click mo lang yan, select. And then dito lang sa gitna makikita mo dito yung tatlong dots, so click mo lang yan. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung copy path. Okay, so click mo lang yung copy path and then minimize ulit. And then back tayo sa CMD or yung command prompt. And then next step ay ipi-paste natin dito. So na-type mo na dito yung CD and then space. And then kung paano ba natin yan i-paste. So gamitin mo yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl plus B. So pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then ito na siya. Ito na yung name na copy path sa ating folder. So C drive semicolon /user / ito yung username / documents / good news, ito yung name ng folder kanina. Alright, and then press mo lang yung enter. Okay, and then next step, use the echo command followed by the text you want to write to the file and then redirect the output to a file. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command key na echo. Ayan. So, type mo lang yan, echo. And then space. So, pwede ka nang mag-create. Okay. So, mag-create lang tayo. Alright. So, ito na yung na-create na natin na text file. So, ito yung hello, welcome to Edmond Mindaros channel. And then, i-press mo lang yung dot. And then space. So gamitin mo yung greater than sign. So lagay lang tayo dito. Ayan. So dot space greater than sign. And then next step is space ulit. And then i-type mo lang dito yung command keyword na my file. .txt. Okay. So ito yung kailangan mong i-type na command prompt na myfile.txt. Ito yung command key na kailangan mong i-type. So once na i-type mo na yan and then press mo lang yung enter. And then once na press mo na yung enter, to verify the file was created, you can use the command prompt na dir. So dito kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung dir to verify the file yung na-create natin. Okay, so type mo lang dito yung command keyword na dir and press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So makikita mo na dito, ito yung laman ng ating folder kanina na screenshot. So makita mo dito mga kaibigan. Okay? And then next step, so to append text to an existing file, kung paano ba yan natin gawin. So dito ay kailangan mo ulit i-type yung command key na echo. And then space, type mo lang itong this, additional, space, text. And then that, and then space ulit, gamitin mo or yung press mo lang yung greater than sign, dalawa, and then space, i-type mo ulit dito yung command key na myfile.txt. txt. Ayan. So ito yung kailangan mong i-type kung to append text to an existing file. Okay? So echo space this additional space text dot space greater than sign space my file and dot txt and press mo lang yung enter. Alright, so once na-press mo na yung enter yan, so after natin makapag-create and mag-edit dito ng text file on the command prompt and then i-check lang natin. So close lang natin yan and then back tayo dito sa File Explorer. And then select lang natin dito yung ating folder, so click lang natin yan. And then makikita mo na dito yung na-create na natin na text file. Okay, so open lang natin yan, double click. And then makikita mo na dito sa ating notepad, ito yung na-write natin na hello, welcome to Edmond Mendaros channel, this additional text. Okay? Ayan, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano on how to create and edit a text file using command prompt in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.